This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 12th of July. This is James Spann, Alabama's weather. Hot and dry today, but again, the dew points are down, so the humidity not much of a factor today. Over the weekend, heat levels creep up even more. Weather mostly dry, but toward the end of next week, we'll begin to see a change in the weather situation with increasing rain chances and decreasing heat levels. Again, that's about 6 to 7 days away, but let's go through everything. This is the current upper air look. We've got the center of the heat ridge west of the state across the southwest United States, troughing to the north. And the visible satellite view. A mostly sunny day across Alabama. Got a few fair weather cumulus clouds. And if you look really carefully on the radar composite, you can see maybe 3 showers down in southwest Alabama. One over the Mobile Delta, one over Escambia County, and that's about it. And again, we might see a few little isolated showers by Sunday or Monday, but most locations will be dry. Temperature's really about what you expect for the middle of July. This is the core summertime here. We've got mostly low and mid-90s, but we see a few upper 90s over on the western side of the state. And again, we're going to see some upper 90s over the course of the weekend ahead. Here's a look at the numbers across the region. Again, mostly low and mid-90s. Birmingham, 93. 93 for Mobile and Huntsville. Dothan sitting at 95. We'll check the watch warning map. And again, we've got a heat advisory to the west, and that's where the heat index might hit 105. That's where the dew points are higher. But again, our dew points are low, so no problems here. The big problems continue out west, where they've got a number of excessive heat warnings there. And we also note flash flood watches from eastern North Carolina up to Boston. And that's with this little feature that's coming in off the Atlantic, but that stays well to the northeast of here. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have a marginal risk, small one north and west of Memphis, also a marginal risk over the high plains. Tomorrow, maybe a few severe storms up north near the Canadian border into the western Great Lakes. And pretty much the same thing on day 3, which is Sunday. Just look at rain for the next 7 days, and for most of Alabama, the amounts look light. But again, we're seeing fairly decent signs in modeling now that toward Thursday and Friday of next week, rain chances go up, heat levels come down, and these numbers might be increasing in future outlooks. And the tropics, just calm as could be. And the little trough that's on the coast of South Carolina with a 0% chance of developing. And you can see the rest of the Atlantic basin just pretty much a case of severe clear. That's the 2-day outlook, and this is the 7-day outlook. So we can enjoy a calm break in the tropics for now, but August and September are coming. So model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Got a 597 heat ridge centered west of the state, Utah, Colorado, toward the Four Corners. And, of course, the ridge extends in here, and it's just going to be hot and dry. Highs mid to upper 90s. But, again, the humidity value is not that bad. So it will not feel any hotter than that, but it's hot enough for sure. The sky should be sunny. Sunday will introduce the chance of a few isolated showers. But, of course, whenever we say isolated, that means most places won't get rain. Again, highs in the upper 90s. No change on Monday. Mid to upper 90s, mostly dry. Same thing Tuesday. And again, could there be a shower? Yes, but probably not many. The high Tuesday in the middle 90s. And this is Wednesday, and again, we've got a front approaching from the north, and the air should be a little more unstable. The air loft a little colder, so scattered showers and storms a possibility. Heat levels beginning to come down. We're expecting low 90s on Wednesday. And again, Thursday, that weak front drifts down toward the Tennessee Valley, and we'll see showers and storms becoming more numerous. And like we always say in summer, we can't promise rain for everybody, but no doubt showers and storms should be around, highs in the low 90s. And this is a week from today, Friday the 19th. Heat ridge over Utah and Arizona. Pretty good little trough west of the state. And again, with a stalled surface boundary nearby in the trough, we could see a fairly decent coverage of showers and thunderstorms a week from today. And again, the heat levels come down. We're seeing a number of guidance model output here suggesting that we might see highs only in the 80s toward the end of next week. That'll be a nice change. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, July 22nd. Pretty impressive trough back in the northwest U.S., but again, for us, we got that little weakness in the ridge west of the state, and this would suggest a fairly typical summer day. Low 90s, scattered showers and thunderstorms about. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. And again, the ensemble, in this case, they have 51 members, and this is the mean, that green line. And you can see the mean is a little over 2 inches between now and the 27th of July. And certainly evidence beginning in about 7 days, we'll start to see higher rain chances and higher rain coverage. We'll check the heat levels. This is coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. And this is for Birmingham. Your number could vary. 97 tomorrow, 99 on Sunday, 98 Monday. So the heat kind of peaking Sunday and Monday. But look at the numbers come down toward the end of next week. 92 by Thursday, 88 a week from today, and 89 on Saturday, July 20th. That's a win for July. And let's see if the Climate Prediction Center has updated the 8 to 14-day guidance, and they have not as of this moment here at 3:09. So again, this is from yesterday, but temperatures for July 19th through the 25th, pretty close to average for the Deep South. All right, let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Hey, Springville today, home of the Tigers. Kids in a summer camp program at Springville Elementary School. This was a cool day today. This was like pro wrestling day. Dress up like your favorite pro wrestler, and some of them did. And accordingly, I got some pretty cool stuff as a result of this unique combination. How about that? Wow. The Macho Weatherman. I like that shirt right there, Weather Stud. I need to wear that a lot. But we had a lot of laughs today. We learned a lot, I think. The kids were just great today. Check this guy out. He's looking good, and she's looking good too. But they were so good today. So again, to all of those amazing students in the summer camp program at Springville Elementary School, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Hey, you know you guys are looking good. So tomorrow I got a book signing in Piedmont, home of the Bulldogs, Northern Calhoun County. Hey, this is going to be a good one. We're going to be at the Duggar Mountain Fudge and Coffee Company between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. And it's going to be good. We'll have all the books, all the shirts, cool weather shirts from Crest Publishers, the hats, all that stuff. It's good stuff. So if you're a weather dweeb or just like weather, come see us. I promise we'll have a lot of fun. We take a lot of pictures, and we have a lot of good stories that we hear. And we like hearing good weather stories and other stories. So bring everybody on down and come see us. Again, the Duggar Mountain Fudge and Coffee Company in Piedmont. That's in northeast Alabama. If you're in northwest Georgia, southeast Tennessee, come down and see us between 10 and 1 tomorrow. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News, right across the hall in Studio A at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.